In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed PDF on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to your website area so you can access the page where you want the PDF to appear. From there, find the correct page and click Edit. This opens the page editor, where you can add and update content directly. Next, click Add Block and choose the text block option. This is the simplest way to place a PDF on the page as a clickable link. After the text block appears, type the words you want visitors to click on. This could be something clear and helpful, like a document title or a short call to action that tells people what the PDF contains. Once your text is in place, highlight that text and click the link icon, which looks like a chain. This opens the link settings. In the link options, click the gear icon to open more settings. Then select File. This tells Squarespace that instead of linking to another page or website, you want the text to open a file. After that, click Upload File. A file picker will open, and you can select the PDF from your device. Choose the correct PDF and wait for it to upload fully. You will know it is ready when you see a check mark next to the file. That check mark is important because it confirms Squarespace has attached the file properly. When the PDF is selected, click Save. Then click Apply to finish adding the link to your text. At this point, your text block is now connected to the PDF file, which means visitors can click the text and open or download the document depending on their browser settings. Before you leave the editor, it is a good idea to quickly review the link text and make sure it is easy to understand. Clear wording helps visitors know exactly what they are clicking. You may also want to preview the page and test the link yourself to confirm the PDF opens correctly. That is the full process for embedding a PDF on Squarespace using a text link. It is quick, clean, and works well for sharing documents directly on your site. That covers everything you need to know.